Hey everyone, welcome to Tech Tide. It's possible you're probably using the tools in your kitchen and it costing you hours of your life and time. Today I'm cutting through the clutter and showing you the must-have kitchen gadgets that are actual little wizard. From the tool that makes chopping onion tear-free to the one that delivers restaurant-quality crispness in minutes. I promise after seeing this, your old tools and dull knife are going to feel little useless. You can check all products with the link in description. Let's dive in. Number 1. Tired of tedious chopping? Meet the Black Plus Decker Mini. Chopper makes food prep quick and easy with one-touch pulse control. It features a stay-sharp stainless steel blade designed for precise results every time. Powering it all is a robust 150-watt motor, perfect for mincing garlic or chopping firm vegetables. And when you're done, cleanup is a breeze. All removable parts are conveniently dishwasher safe. Save time, save effort. Get the power and convenience of the Black Plus Decker Mini Chopper today. Number 2 is this amazing baking mat, the ultimate secret weapon for every baker. This professional-grade, thick silicone mat provides a non-stick, non-slip surface for perfect kneading and rolling every time. It's oven-safe and heat-resistant, acting as a reusable liner that saves you money and cuts down on oven cleanup. And when you're done, simply wash it, throw it in the dishwasher, or roll it up for easy storage. Stop guessing your dough size. Start baking with precision and zero fuss. Tap the link below to get yours today. Number 3 is this amazing double-side grater. This grater does food gratering and measuring both at the same time. No need of separate utensil for storage or for measuring food. This bad boy does both fine and coarse grating. Plus, it is dishwasher safe. Tap the link below to grab yours. Number 4 is this brilliant dish drying rack. This dish rack grows with your needs, from a cozy kitchen to a full-size family dinner cleanup. It's built to last with premium, rust-proof carbon steel. Say goodbye to standing water. The efficient automatic drainage system keeps your countertop dry, draining directly into your sink. With adjustable feet and a high drainage board, it fits perfectly over sinks with lips. Plates, bowls, pots, and all your tableware. It holds everything, keeping your kitchen tidy and organized. Ready for a tidier kitchen? Tap the link in the description to get yours now. Number 5 is the ultimate spice carousel. Its sturdy base and stainless steel design allow for a smooth, effortless spin. No more guessing. Every lid has the spice name clearly printed for instant identification while you're cooking. And it comes fully loaded with 16 essential herbs. You'll have everything you need right at your fingertips. Plus, the Precision Plus mechanism is designed to keep your spices fresher, ensuring you get maximum flavor in every meal. Add a touch of modern class to your countertop. Number 6 is the electric spice grinder, and it's here to revolutionize your seasoning game. It's easy, single-handed operation. Just push the button and watch it work. The built-in LED light is a game changer. It helps prevent over-seasoning so you get it perfect every time. Plus, it has low noise so you can focus on cooking, not clatter. Whether you're grinding sea salt, black peppercorns, or specialty spices, this grinder handles it all. With a larger 100 milliliter capacity and a 360-degree transparent container, you spend less time refilling and more time cooking. Upgrade your kitchen and elevate your meals with this fantastic electric spice grinder set. It's the perfect blend of style and efficiency. Number 7 is the Fullstar 4-in-1 stainless steel vegetable chopper and spiralizer. It's all about speed and simplicity. First, the incredible chopping function. Just press down and boom, your chopped vegetables are ready in seconds. Fun, quick, and simple. That's the Fullstar way. Stop spending hours prepping and start enjoying your favorite meals only minutes away. You got different attachments according to your needs, plus it's very easy to clean. Your favorite meals, only minutes away. Tap the link below to grab yours. Number 8. Are you tired of that funky smell every time you open your fridge? Maybe you're using messy baking soda or those bulky charcoal bags. Well, meet the Exlavon Refrigerator Deodorizer, featuring the new generation upgraded Kuni Pure Air Tech. This isn't just a basic air freshener. It features a durable, sleek stainless steel shell and a cyclonic design to maximize odor absorption and purification. Simply place it inside and watch the magic happen. Most odors are gone within 48 hours, helping to keep your fruits and veggies fresher for longer. You can use it anywhere odors are an issue: in your shoe cabinet, closet, suitcase, or even the car. Click the link below to get your Exlivon deodorizer today. Number 9 is this ultimate electric grinder, an 1100-watt powerhouse. Whether you need a perfectly smooth puree in just 5 seconds or a chunky salsa, this motor handles it all with ease. And the control? It's all in your hands. The trigger control grip lets you instantly adjust the power, from gentle mixing for eggs to tackling tough nuts and meat. Versatility is key. Thanks to the easy click attachments, you can switch from the blending wand to the whisk or the chopper bowl in seconds. And cleanup? It couldn't be simpler. The attachments are easy to detach and clean. Just one quick click and a rinse and you're done. Stop struggling and start blending. Get the Power Blender and revolutionize your cooking today. Number 10 is the Ultra Capacity Rice Dispenser, designed to elevate your kitchen. It holds up to a massive 25 pounds of rice. Its compact, space-saving design is perfect for any countertop. Convenience is key. Simply press the button to dispense the perfect amount. The easy-to-open lid makes refills simple, and you can always check your stock through the transparent scale window. Use it for all your small grains like kidney beans, white rice, and more. It seals tight to protect your food from humidity, mold, and those pesky weevils. Stop scooping, start pressing, and enjoy perfectly measured fresh rice every time. Number 11 is the Brilliant Kitchen Trash Can. It provides simple, elegant solution that keeps your kitchen cleaner, smells locked away, and completely eliminates the bending and reaching. This is key to its versatility. You get 2 ways of installation right out of the box. It's portable, flexible, and gets the trash off the floor, saving you valuable space. It mounts right below your countertop. You get the amazing benefit of no bending. It's a space saver, an odor eliminator, and a complete game changer for your daily kitchen routine. I've put a link to where you can get this amazing trash can down in the description below. Number 12. Stop fighting with tangled plastic wrap and crinkled foil. Meet the all-in-one kitchen wrap dispenser. It's designed to handle all your kitchen papers: cling film, aluminum foil, and baking parchment. Cutting is now safe and simple. The 2-way sliding blade is cleverly hidden inside, giving you a perfect, clean cut every single time without the risk of cuts. It sticks securely to your countertop. No more chasing the dispenser across the kitchen. Keep your leftovers fresh and prevent food spoilage effortlessly. A great tool for better organization and healthier eating. Upgrade your kitchen flow today. Tap the link below to get yours and finally enjoy cutting your cling film.